Hi there, so welcome to the Excel Universe YouTube channel. My name is Keith Griggs. I'm an Excel fanatic. I really love Excel. I've used it every day for pretty much the last 25 to 30 years. And I just think it's amazing software. I used to be an accountant, so I used to have to do all these management accounts every month, have to do all these graphs and pivot tables and print macros, really complicated stuff, massive spreadsheets. So I'm quite an expert at it. I know I'm better at Excel than actually anyone I know. And I really want to share all my knowledge with you and also my enthusiasm and passion, and I want you to love Excel as much as I do. And so I've created this channel with all these videos, and also a lot of them have spreadsheets involved which you can download. Go to Excel Universe and hopefully you'll be able to find the course they're in, so you can download and get the spreadsheets as well. So please subscribe, please like and comment on my videos, please go to exceluniverse.com and please consider buying some of my courses, because with a course you can really go a lot deeper into it, and it's structured in a certain way to sort of build on the previous lesson with a downloadable project file and so on. So anyway, I hope you love it and I hope you benefit from this site.